Okay, so under the truck, you're going to start by taking this pin off. And once the pin's off, you want to grab this and slide it off of there. Okay, now that that's slid off, there's going to be these two bolts, and there's going to be two more on the inside that you need to take off to drop this piece down. And you're going to want to get them from up here. So here's the old one with snap wire, and we're going to have to take that pin out because we're going to use a cotter pin that this one had. Put two bolts through and then line it up with this piece and just start hand tightening them. Alright, now that all the screws are hand tightened on there, you're going to want to get your 13mm and your ratchet and go up here and tighten all four of them. Alright, now that this is back on, you're going to slide this back. Once you slide that back on, you're going to line up the holes. Slide this guy back on.